Hello everyone! So today the Climber LITE Winter Magic Special Edition 2021. So a model that doesn't exist, I would say, so it's interesting. Um, it wasn't the case in the past for this edition. For example, last year it was the wonderful Pioneer X ALOX. So this is the first time that we have a model that doesn't exist. So a Climber, a LITE, because we added the LITE and the Philips. For the number, it's here, 179043E1. So let's open this. So here is the little moon, but of course I put it on. So we have for the thickness 22 millimeters. It weighs 100 grams. It has 17 functions. And I'll talk about the price after. So as I said, it's a Climber. So we have the large blade, small blade, scissors, the opening layer, can opener, little flat screwdriver, bottle opener, larger flat screwdriver, wire bender, stripper, and we added this, the LITE, and the Philips. And on the other side has a regular Climber with the reamer hole, hook, corkscrew, and a mini screwdriver, which you don't have if you buy a regular Climber. And we have tweezers, toothpick, no pen, this little charm, the key ring, and that's it. We don't have the straight pin. That's a beautiful one. I was a bit disappointed because I thought that they would make this edition with ALOX like last year. It was really beautiful last year. Pioneer X, the most beautiful of this series. But finally, I really like it. It's really beautiful, and I think it's the second after the Pioneer X compared to all knives that are in this series Winter Magic. So really beautiful. I think it's a really beautiful one. For the price, it's in Europe, in France at least, 99 euros. So yeah, that's a bit expensive, I would say. But always the same with Victorinox special or limited editions. So this is the 2021 special edition for this series, Winter Magic. Nothing more to say, except I really like it. When you have it in real, it's really beautiful. And the fact that it's Climber LITE, so not a model that we know, that's interesting, I think. I'm curious to see what they will make next year. But yeah, so as usual, tell me in the comments what you think about it, if you have any questions as well. And I'll see you, of course, for the next video. And in the meantime, take care and see you next time. Bye bye.